Hello and welcome to TNC Flipbook. This video is about the documentation of Preview PDF Viewer for WordPress add-on. This add-on will show a partial view of the PDF. That means, let's say if the PDF has like 32 pages, you can select one or two or three or a specific number of pages as a partial view, which will be done using this add-on, and then you can put restrictions on that PDF. There is a detailed documentation prepared on this as well. You can check this out. I'll be putting the link in the description. But let me tell you, to use this add-on you need to have PDF viewer of WordPress first, because this is the add-on of this plugin. This plugin is created by Theme and Code, and this is the most unique and most favorite Flipbook plugin since 2014. It has over 7,000 users every day. Get this plugin and give your PDFs on your WordPress website a nice interactive look. Also, the Preview PDF of WordPress add-on will help you in many ways. We will describe that in these videos. So please be with us and let's have a look.